Hello guys, how you guys doing today? Today we're doing the oil change on the 335 N54. So go under the car, locate the drain plug. Once you find the drain plug, which is this, is gonna have, most of them have this, mine doesn't have it. And you find the drain plug, which is right there. You take it off with a 17. And make sure you have your oil pan with you. And also, you want to open this up. And you want to take the filter off. You see that? Water. Too much boost. Say no. I'll clean that out. And now we have that open and this open. So now it should be very easy for the oil to just come out. Remove the drain plug. She was due for an oil change. Make sure you guys don't make a mess, because I always make a mess doing this. Yes, sir. You want to put the new washer every time, because you see what happens here? It gets messed up. You put that in and the oil is going to leak from the drain plug. And we are going to change this as well. You don't have to, but I'm going to change it just to be safe. Put this one and this one. She's almost at the top. Please don't drop anywhere else. I'm going to put the filter in. I already put it in. Now I'm just tightening it up, and then drain plug back on. Make sure everything's tightened down good, and then you just put the oil in and you're done. This is done. This is tightened. Just gotta fill it up. See if I have a funnel. Grab your funnel, and that's it. Oil change is done. I had to polish these headlights. These things are horrible. I had to adjust this intercooler because it was like falling off. You can see it got scraped right there. But we're done. This is already with a fresh oil change. You guys want to hear it? Alright, you're gonna hear it, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Guys, go. Catch you in the next time.